recording something right now. Shh. So you're going to read the word problem. That's Lena and Jackson arguing, by the way. Sorry about that. You're going to read the word problem, draw and label, and then write the number sentence. So number 1, it says, this week, Maria ate 5 yellow plums and some red plums. If she ate 11 plums in all, how many red plums did Maria eat? So I know she ate 5 yellow, so you're going to draw your 5 yellow and label it. And then I'm going to count up from 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many more did I have to draw to get to 11? 5 plus blank equals 11. And that'll tell you how many red plums she ate in all. You're going to do that for 2, 3, and 4. So this one I kind of walked you through so you can pause and finish it. I'm going to the pond. The red children are on the books. That's blank. That's why I'm on it when you are done.